Keto fried chicken tenders. They're so versatile and go with anything. So I'm just going to eat them with my family. Look at those. Crispy, crunchy fried chicken. And then I will use the leftovers later. First thing you need is some kind of wash. So I've got 2 washes because I have a child that's allergic to nuts. So the first one's just an egg wash. The second one is an egg wash with almond milk. So after you dip them in the almond milk or your egg wash batter, whichever, your actual batter is protein powder. So you'll just roll them around in protein powder, unflavored of course, and a little bit of cornstarch. And the reason I use a little cornstarch, it has a little bit of carbs, but there's not but a tablespoon in the whole batter. Roll them around. That cornstarch will make them crispy. So you can see I'm just making sure it's covered, and this is the protein powder that I use, the Isopure. 0 carbs for the chicken. And then I'm going to pan fry them in olive oil. You can see that I already have a pan of them laid out because this is going to be a larger family gathering. Let's take a look at what we're going to have. Slaw, fried chicken tenders, tomato slices, deviled eggs, and with the chicken tenders, I'm going to use the G-Hughes sugar-free honey mustard dipping sauce, and it's only 1 carb per serving. The serving is 2 tablespoons, and it has sucralose. It's the last ingredient, which is like an artificial sugar, which is, artificial. But that is where you're getting your 1 carb. And I like to dip. It's a little spicy, but it tastes like honey mustard. It's delicious. Here's lunch. So here's the finished plate with a total of around 2 to 3 total net carbs. 2 to 3, and that's total carbs. So I do cook a lot extra because I use them for leftovers. Well, might even eat the same meal for supper that we just had, or I like to roll them in buffalo sauce. The protein powder gives them a little powdery flour flavor for me. Most people can't even taste the difference, but I do. So lunch for work, buffalo chicken salad with ranch. Please like and subscribe.